Leaders of different religious denominations in the state had organized a special prayer meeting on the 18th of March 2022 for the return of peace and normal life in Ukraine and Russia. The meeting was held at the All Saints Cathedral Church, Diocese of Northeast India, Shillong. The Archbishop of Shillong, Most Reverend Victor Lingdor, said that the world needs peace and added that through the prayer meeting he hoped that the problems and current situation between these two countries will end and life will once again return to normalcy.
All the world needs peace. People want peace. Every country, every nation wants peace. All want peace. We all want peace. Parents want peace. Children want peace. Family want peace. The church, different denominations want peace. Government want peace. Everyone want peace. Therefore, we are also called to be the instruments of peace. So we have come and prayed. We ask the Lord for peace. That's why in the book of Numbers, chapter 6, verse 6, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace. The word of God. Isaiah 52:7. Prophet Isaiah said, how beautiful on the mountain are the feet of those who bring good news, who proclaim peace to the world. Jeremiah 59:11. Knowing that it is not a promise, so you immediately rescue us from hardship or suffering, but rather a promise that God has a plan for our lives, and regardless of our current situation, He can work through it, prosper us, and give us hope and peace. John 14:27, we have heard just now. Peace I leave you, my peace I give unto you. Not as the world give peace, but I give unto you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. Therefore only the Lord can give the true peace in Russia and Ukraine and also the whole world. In John 16:33, this thing I have spoken unto you, but in me you might have peace in the world. You shall have tribulation, but be good cheer. I have overcome the world. The Lord has overcome the world. Luke chapter 2:14. Jesus Christ is known as the Prince of Peace, King of Peace, Giver of Peace. He is the peacemaker. God is love. God is peace.
Others who were present during the special event were Secretary Bible Society, Reverend P. Dakar, Reverend Gilbert B. Karpran, Reverend MacDonald Pangrob of the Maukar Presbyterian Church, Vicar of the All Saints Cathedral, Reverend Himanshu Christian, and others.
Sweet hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer.